Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to a Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go. To do that, you have to open the control center by clicking in the bottom right corner, and after that you have to select Wi-Fi. Then scroll down to the network that you want to connect to, click on it, and then enter the password to it in the respective field. If you want to allow other users to use this network, switch the toggle to the right, and then click Connect and wait until the connection is established. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.